Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and today we have a beautiful wagon here, 1955 LS1 Restomod 2-inch chop top. Talk about bad to the bone, right out of Arizona, and you know how the cars are out from out there, nice and solid. Come on up, we're going to take a look at the car, take you for a little ride, and then you're going to meet Greg Payne back at the shop. He's going to show you the undercarriage and show you what you have to look forward to. Check out the beautiful pearl white paint job, the gorgeous koi wheels, the 2-inch chop top is just absolutely beautiful. Nice trim all the way around. I'm going to show you the doors open and shut beautifully. Just a magnificent ride here, guys. Don't miss out on the rare opportunity to own this beautiful 55 wagon. Call me today at 248-974-9513. Got a little chip right there. Let's take a look inside here. Beautiful. Check out that. Absolutely beautiful. This car is a dream to drive too, guys. Let me tell you, with that LS1. You know, you guys watch Barrett this year. All the Restomods are the hot things. Looking down the passenger side, you get the same beauty as the drivers. Nice, solid, clean ride here. Don't you want to be a contestant this year at the car show? Forget about being a spectator. We're going on to newer, bigger, better things this year, guys. Call me today so Vanguard can park your dream in your driveway. Don't forget to go to Vanguard Motor Sales and click on the social links, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see beautiful units like this before they're even offered to the public. Check out the beautiful door lifts. That's evidence of an Arizona car. Custom interior, power seats, custom-made console, AM, FM, CD, stereo, vintage air, aftermarket gauges. What a beautiful combination. 7 days a week I can take your call. 248-974-9513.
Here we are, Greg again at Vanguard Motor Sales. We're underneath a beautiful 55 Chevy Wagon. This dude's got 2-inch drop spindles on it, all powder coated underneath. It's got an A-body front suspension grafted on, and you guessed it, it's an LS1 in there. We've got a 4L60 trans behind it. We've got brand new 2.5-inch aluminized exhaust system going all the way back. We've got 17s on the front. We've got disc brakes up front. We've got an aluminum radiator here. Moving on back, this is an Arizona car. This car is absolutely gorgeous underneath. We've had a little bit of floorboard work done here, but what was done is done just gorgeous. We're putting the power to the ground back here with a Ford 9-inch, but it doesn't have a posi in it. It's an open rear end. We've got a brand new gas tank out back here. We've got fresh, brand new leaf springs underneath. And again, the frame's powder coated all the way back. This car is just gorgeous underneath. We've got 18s on the rear with drum brakes. Let's go take a look at the top of this. All right, here we are under this beautiful 55's hood. We've got the LS1 on top. We've got a really customized engine cover here. We've got power brakes. All the upper A-frame bushings are brand new. Got the aluminum radiator hiding underneath this custom cover. Here we are, we took the cover off this LS1 so you guys can really see what's going on under there. Just a gorgeous motor. This thing's putting all kind of horsepower to those rear wheels. Nothing spared here.